Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Wixzet laptop screen extender. The 14-inch FHD 1080p portable monitor designed to transform your laptop into a powerful triple-screen workstation. Whether you're a professional, student, gamer, designer, or business traveler, this device promises to boost productivity, streamline multitasking, and provide an immersive visual experience. The Wixzet T2 Pro is an upgraded version of their previous 14-inch triple monitor extender. At just over 6 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on business trips or for a mobile office setup. One standout feature is its one-button auto-stretch back panel, allowing the extender to effortlessly fit laptops ranging from 13 to 17 inches. The reinforced top hook ensures the screen stays securely attached to your laptop, while the widened adjustable back stand provides stable support on any desk. You can also adjust the height and angle, so you get the perfect setup for comfort and convenience. What makes this monitor truly special is its ability to instantly expand your laptop into a triple-screen workstation. With 2 additional screens, you can eliminate the hassle of constantly switching between windows or tabs. The extender supports both mirrored and extended display modes, giving you flexibility for work, study, or entertainment. Imagine having spreadsheets on one screen, your design tools on another, and a video call running on the third. This setup can potentially increase your productivity by up to 300%. The display itself is impressive. Each 14-inch screen offers full HD 1080p resolution, covering 100% of the sRGB color gamut with up to 300 nits of brightness. You'll experience vibrant, saturated colors, and thanks to the IPS panel, wide viewing angles remain clear and consistent. Each screen has independent controls for brightness, volume, and other settings, so you can customize your visual experience. The 180-degree foldable design adds protection and privacy while still allowing an immersive view. It also includes built-in anti-glare and low blue light technology to reduce eye strain during long work sessions. Setting up the Wixzet T2 Pro is straightforward. It's designed to be plug-and-play, requiring no driver installation. If your laptop has 2 full-function USB-C ports, you can connect each extender screen via USB-C cables. If your laptop only has one full-featured USB-C port, the second screen can be connected using a combination of USB-C, HDMI, and USB-A cables. However, it's worth noting that some laptops with port limitations may experience compatibility issues. But Wixzet provides responsive after-sales support for any troubleshooting. Compatibility is broad, supporting Windows, Mac, Chrome, Android, Linux, DeX, and even Nintendo Switch devices. Do keep in mind, though, that it's not compatible with Mac devices that have M1, M2, or M3 chipsets, and older MacBook models from before 2012 or 2017 may also be incompatible. Inside the box, you get the laptop screen extender itself, 2 USB-C to USB-C cables, 2 USB-A to USB-C cables, 1 HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a user manual, and the product box, so you're ready to set up right out of the package. Overall, the Wixzet T2 Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking to maximize their productivity with a portable multi-screen setup. Its lightweight design, triple-screen capability, high-quality display, and versatile compatibility make it a strong contender in the portable monitor market. Whether you're working, gaming, designing, or traveling, this screen extender aims to expand not just your workspace, but your possibilities. That wraps up our review of the Wixzet laptop screen extender. If you're looking to turn your laptop into a multi-screen powerhouse, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.